So guys, right now we are on the way to go and put the tint on the Corvette. Long overdue. I had a tint on when I bought it. Had to take tint off. I'll explain more later on in the video, but here we go. Alright guys, so we just arrived to Concours Auto Salon in San Antonio, Texas. Scheduled an appointment with them. I looked them up online when I was looking for window tinting places, and they were one of the first ones to come up. I read the reviews. They seem pretty good, and they also do clear bras, and I think they do ceramic pros and everything like that. And they even upload videos. I think it's on their Facebook page or their YouTube page. I don't know which one it is. Of like the cars they do. They've done a Z06, looks spotless. That is on the goal to do this car. I don't know when, you know what I'm saying, that costs bread, but you know what I'm saying, I want to get to that point where I can do that and put that on my car, paint correction, and then ceramic pro it. And when I do get to that point, I'm probably going to get it done here. These guys seem pretty cool. They got a couple of, I don't know, cool cars here now, I guess, man. I don't know. This BMW is kind of clean. I mean, it's like a matte black finish on it. I don't even know. It's not an M5 though. Kind of looks like one. See, he has an acrylic exhaust on it. It's not a 5 Series. I mean, it's not an M5, but he got some stuff on it. Yeah, this thing is always fucking dirty. I mean, I just took it to a touchless car wash, man, but this shit is always dirty. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and get the tint redone on this because I did have a tint on these two windows right here, but I had to take that off. I still have the tint from when the previous owner tinted it on the back windshield on the quarter windows. I'm probably gonna get these redone, the darkest tint possible, and I'm probably gonna get these redone too, because right here it's kind of peeling right there, and I don't really like that. And then at night, I mean, it looks good now, but at night it's not dark enough for me. Like at night when I come up from my car from behind, you can see it. You can kind of see it, like you kind of see through it. And I don't want that see-through shit. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention my Accelerate Vet sticker from my Corvette club. If you own a Corvette and you watching my channel and you're not in this Facebook group, well, I mean, what are you doing, bro? Come on, what are you doing? I haven't went on any cruising with them yet. I've only been in the club for about a month now, but I've been pretty busy with work and everything. But yeah, I just got my Accelerate Vet sticker, man. It looks pretty fucking nice. It does, honestly. We're finna go in here and we're finna go ahead and get this tint done on them. I'm gonna let them know, and then come back, tell y'all what's going on. See how I'm recording this hoe. Motherfucker rides low. So we just got finished putting on the tint on the car. Looks pretty good. What the fuck is called? I'm gonna call somebody right now. Yeah, we just got the tint put on, man. Looks fucking amazing. I don't even know what fucking percent it is. Honestly, I didn't even ask for that. They also add this cool thing. When I always get my car tinted, I've never gotten this. They've always just told you about this. Is pretty cool. It reminds you not to roll the window down. But yeah, definitely looks good, man. Big shout out to Concours Auto Salon up there in San Antonio, Texas. If you're around in the area, whatever, you want to get a tint in your car. And they also do other things like clear bras, a little stuff up there. A couple of things they do. They have a Demon in there, and they have a Porsche GT3 RS in there. I didn't get any footage of it, but they have that stuff in there too. The Demon, the guy says he's getting it re-wrapped or whatever, because the guy who done it before, or the place that did it before, they messed up and left a whole bunch of that sticky stuff on it all over the place and everything, which fucking sucks. But yeah, they got a Demon getting the whole clear ball protection and all that, and the GT3 I think is getting the windows tint. I don't really know, but definitely pretty cool, man. This place is pretty dope. I think I'll be, once that YouTube bread come in, you know what I'm saying, I'll definitely be coming back to this place a lot more, man. These guys did a really good job, and I really appreciate it, man. Alright, but to show you guys the finished product, because I don't think I showed y'all while I was at the place. It's really fucking windy outside. I really do apologize about that, but it's 30% on the driver and passenger side. I didn't get the rear quarter panels in the back windshield redone. However, I will do that later on. I don't know when, but I will get those redone, because right over here, you can tell it's coming up a little bit. The guy tried to use a little squeegee to push it down, but that doesn't work. But yeah, so it's 30% all around. Back to what I was saying. So the reason why I say it's my second tint is because the story behind it is when I originally bought the car from the previous owner, the guy who had the tint previously, he had like an illegal tint. It was like a 15% tint. So, and he didn't drive it that much, so he can get away with shit like that, you know. But me, when I bought the car, it's my daily driver, so I drive it every day. So me, I couldn't do that. And what happened was, the story is, I was coming home from school one day. I was going to go eat with my friend. I should just take my hat on, but whatever. We went to go try this new place. We were sitting on Facebook or whatever. He messaged me. He was like, "How about we try this place?" So we went over there, right? And we ate. The food was good and whatnot. But on the way back, we was passing through this little town called Marion. And that town, it's a little racist or whatever. But you know, as long as you're not doing anything, you know, stupid or whatever, you usually get away. And so I was behind the line of cars or whatever. My friend was in front of me. There was a couple cars in front of me. And I was behind a lot of cars. The speed limit is 30 miles per hour. Speed limit is 30 miles per hour, right? And so, you know, everybody's slowing down or whatever. I see the cop, you know, parked on the side of the road. You know, he's looking for people. I see him, I spot him out, I'm like, all right. And I see him looking back at me. I'm like, all right, maybe he's just checking out the car, you know, no big deal. He's just checking out the car, you know, it's a Corvette. It's a nice car. Cars like that usually don't ride around through that town like that. So he's probably just looking at the car. And as I'm driving past him, he's still staring at me. And now I'm looking, and then like, as I finally get past him, I look back in my rear view, I see him cut the car on, he put his brakes on or whatever. I'm just like, all right, what's going on? Because I know he's not gonna get me, because, you know, I didn't do anything. Then I see him turn on his fucking lights or whatever. I see him turn on his lights. I'm like, all right, well, who's he finna get? Because I didn't do anything. Dude comes around, I'm still looking at my rear view mirror, you know, watching to see who's coming to get. He turned on his lights, the truck behind me pulled over. And then he doesn't go past me. I was like, all right, well, he's coming to me, he's gonna go past me. But I get over, that's the right thing to do. But then he gets right behind me, so I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Are you kidding me, bro? What the fuck did I do? It's like, there's nothing I did. There's no possible reason why he can pull me over right now. So I'll pull over right in this parking lot or whatever. Not this parking lot I'm in now, but I'll pull over in the parking lot. And he comes over, you know me, I'm in the car. I got my, he comes over like this or whatever. So I'm in the car, I roll down my window or whatever. I'm talking to him, I already got my license registration now. He asked my license registration. And then he's like, do you know why I pulled you over? And I'm like, no, I don't. He was like, your tint, it looks a bit dark around here. He's like, but I was like, but this is the way I bought it, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like I got a dark tint like that on purpose. He comes back with this little thing to measure the tint or whatever on. And he's all like, all right, I'm gonna measure the tint, roll down your window a little bit. So he measured it. The measure comes out to about 15%. It comes out to about 15% or whatever. And he's like, basically that's illegal. I think the limit in Texas, I think the legal limit is 25. I don't fucking know. I really don't know. Don't quote me on that. The tint I got on here now is 30%. But yeah, he tells me it's illegal. And he's like, I was like, well, you know, you're gonna write me a ticket for it. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna write you a ticket. I'm like, well, what sense does that make? Well, I didn't tell that, but I'm not gonna argue with no cops, because I've had a really bad situation with cops, and maybe, I don't know, I'll discuss that in the future video, way out into the future. I don't know if y'all guys want to know about that, comment, let me down. But I had a really bad altercation with a cop, really like life-changing event for me. So I didn't really ask the question, but in my mind I'm going like, you know, how the fuck could this dude be charging me, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not like I intended to get the dark ass tint put on it like that. I bought the car like that, so if anything, at least write me like a warning or something. Don't give me no motherfucking ticket. And check it, dude gives me a ticket. He's like, I'm gonna write you a ticket. He was like, you have two options. You can either pay the $200 fine or you can get it removed, and then the ticket will only be $10. You know, so I go home, I'm looking on Google or whatever, like how to remove tints or whatever, watching YouTube. So the very next day I go out and I remove the tint on the driver and passenger side myself. I go back over there literally the day before the thing expired, because I think I was busy with school or some shit. I don't know what the fuck I had going on. I was busy with work and shit. And then I go into the office or whatever, and dude's all like, I talked to the lady and she was like, can I help you? I'm like, well, I'm here to pay for this ticket. It should be like $10 or whatever, because I took the tint off. So they sent somebody out there to go make sure I did it. She walks out there, she's like, oh yeah, he did it, whatever. And I'll pay the $10. The thing that's crazy to me is, and like, dude was a fucking black cop. Like, come on, bro. I'm black, you black nigga. Like, help a nigga out, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's the type of shit. Come on, bro. Like, how you gonna give me a ticket for that and I bought the car like that? If he was jealous, I don't know. I don't know. You know, I don't know how some people are, but that was the whole thing, man. I was really pissed off about that. That literally happened, I think about like 1 or 2 weeks after I bought the car that shit happened, so. It was some bullshit. The tint looked really nice too, man. I didn't think it was dark. I was thinking about getting it dark, because I really didn't think it was that fucking dark. The tint I have on now, though, it's really nice. It's not as dark, nowhere near as dark as the last one. It's just 30%, but I still think it looks pretty good. On camera, I don't know how good it's gonna show up, but I think it'll look really nice at nighttime. It kind of blends in with the back ones too. The back windows too. The only thing I don't like about the back windows, at night you can see through this. You can tell I have a tint on it, but you can see through it kind of easily. But yeah, overall I'm pretty satisfied with the tint I got put on here today. Pretty satisfied with the tint I got on today. It turned out really good. It ran me about $140. I was gonna get the back was removed. They was like charging like $130 labor for that, and then to install like another $100. I was gonna be like $420 just to tint all four. I'm not gonna do all that. I mean, I'll get that later on. I'm not really too bitter about that. I'm not too really upset about that or whatever. Need it that bad. They're already tinted. I just want them dark. That's pretty much it, man. So as always, I thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm gonna try to get some car reviews on the channel, you know, from like a Corvette owner's perspective. I'm trying to get some of those on the channel soon. Sooner rather than later. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Share it. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care.